Should you buy a land that has a power of attorney as its major title? Now, that's what we're going to be discussing in this video. My name is Olisa Omera and I am your host. Welcome to Lands and Houses TV. So let's look at the first things first. A power of attorney is not a land title. I repeat, a power of attorney is not a land title. Rather, a power of attorney is a document that a party A gives to a party B, allowing the second party the right to perform certain functions on its property, be it a land or a building. Now, these functions may include selling the property, giving receipts, giving the contract of sale, managing the property, collecting rent, etc., etc. Now, that is what a power of attorney is. So, if anyone tells you that the land he's selling has a power of attorney, no. There is something wrong with that. He could have a power of attorney to sell the land, he could have a power of attorney to sell the property, but the land cannot have a power of attorney. Now, the thing about this document called the power of attorney is that some agents, some fraudulent agents, can use this document to defraud so many persons. There are agents who get a power of attorney and they use this document to sell and resell a piece of land to so many persons. Now, what you should know about a power of attorney is that a power of attorney has a validity period of just 12 months, after which the owner of the property may decide to renew the power of attorney. So if you're going to buy a property tomorrow, if you're going to buy land tomorrow, and the seller tells you, okay, I have a power of attorney, tell them, okay, let's see the power of attorney. And if you see it, check the date when it was signed. Calculate 12 months from that day, and you will know if the power of attorney is still valid. Another thing is, a power of attorney should be signed in front of a commissioner of oath or at a magistrate court. So if you do not see a court stamp on the power of attorney, then there is something wrong with that power of attorney. The power of attorney is fake. So if the power of attorney does not have a court stamp and it has expired, if it's more than 12 months from the day it was signed, then the power of attorney is not valid. The truth is, most persons do not know these things, and as such, it could be easy to defraud them of their money because of this small document called the power of attorney. Now, additional advice is, if you're going to buy a land that has, whereby the person selling to you has a power of attorney, request to speak with or see the original owner of the land. In most cases, you won't be able to see the owner. But if it's possible, why not sit one-on-one with the owner and know, okay, yes, this is the person who owns this land, before you go ahead and make a payment. But if it's not possible, then you should be able to get on the phone with the person who owns the land. It's very important to speak with the person who owns the land, so that you ask questions like, truly, did you give the power of attorney to this person? Is the power of attorney still valid? And then you can ask some other questions concerning the property. So that, my friends, is my answer to the question, should I buy a land that has a power of attorney? Now you know that a land cannot have a power of attorney as its deriving title. Rather, the power of attorney is a document that gives the seller the right to sell the property. So if someone presents you with a land and he says that the land has a power of attorney, what you should do in this case is ask for the title document on that land. The land should either have a C of O, a gazette, a governor's consent, or it's probably a written excision, or any of these things. If it doesn't have any of these things, and the person is trying to pressurize you into making a payment saying that his land has a power of attorney, then no. Simply walk away. There is an element of fraud in that transactions. Alright guys, until our next video, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Take care, and don't forget to pick up my special free report, 12 common real estate scams in Nigeria and how to avoid them. The link is somewhere below if you're on YouTube, or the link is above if you are on Facebook. Have a wonderful day guys. Bye bye.